Denise here. I'm your wellness coordinator, and I'm back again this month to announce the 10 raffle winners for this year's backpack drive. We had amazing participation this year considering it was our first annual backpack drive. We had awesome participation from Vancouver, Southern California, Las Vegas, Mukilteo, and especially here in Fremont. Awesome, so I'm now gonna pick 10 winners. Each winner will win a $100 American Express gift card. All right, first winner. Chalice Stringer from Mukilteo. Our second winner is Ed Stringer from Mukilteo. All right, our third winner Jesse Monhe from Vegas. Our fourth winner Melanie McMorrow from Mukilteo. Our fifth winner is Ed Farnan from Vegas. Ready? All right, our sixth winner is Daryl Johnson from Vegas. Our seventh winner is Renee Trout. And for our eighth winner, Juan Espinosa. For our ninth winner, Robert Goodlock from Vegas. And for our 10th and final winner for our first annual backpack drive, the 10th winner is Amber Abraham in Vegas. So I want to thank everyone for such a successful backpack drive, but stay tuned for photos.